Well, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about building bylaws. It is comes under CO2. So first one is the building bylaws. So here there are certain rules and regulations laid down for the building bylaws in the municipalities and town planning authorities for urban improvement boards in their justification. So actually we have building bylaws will be there for the local body authorities. For example, considering the Vijayawada, we have CRDA and VMC. Okay, so by building bylaws we have several set of rules. We have to follow these rules and some terminology is given. So these are terminologies we have to go for the building bylaws and the setbacks, frontage and back edge, height of the building, rise of the building and building lines, everything will be comes under the some terminologies are given here. The main objective of this building bylaws are to avoid the environmental effects, that also and also to provide the healthy environment to the people who are living in the building. Okay, that they are the main line of the buildings, and we have some ventilation provisions and all, everything will comes under the building bylaws. And building bylaws may contains of the regulation of FAR means floor area ratio and ground coverage and density of the population, here setbacks and projections and basements and parking spaces, well type of structures and area utilizations, and we have some other regulations also related to here. So here the building bylaws will be applicable for the new construction and occupancy of the building when you are going to change any modifications and remoldings. A part of the whole part of the building is demolished, and plinth area we have to utilize. Here the some guidelines here given for the plinth areas. The area of the wall of the floor levels including the plinth offsets if any, when the building consists of a column projections behind the cladding. So when you have the wall claddings right before for ventilation and some ventilation and all, so internal shades of the sanitary insulation provides these do not exceed the 2 square meter area. So air conditioning ducts and lifts, etc. So all will be comes under the plinth areas. The plinth area should be within the floor area. Okay, next floor area will be, we have to utilize the internal pillars and supports including the plastering along the walls and exceeding the 300 square centimeters. And carpet area will be comes under the stationary accommodation, sanitary accommodation, verandas, corridors, passages, kitchen, stores in the domestic buildings, entrance hall, staircases, shafts and lifts, garages. So next comes under the superset build-up area. So it includes the build-up area of plus passage, staircase, etc. Here the build-up area is useful for the usable area plus thickness of the inner and outer walls. So when it comes under the floor area ratio, the floor area ratio will be considered like this: the total area covered by the all floors by 100 into 100 by plot area. The plot area will be considered in the maybe any type of units. So next, height of the building will be depends upon like this. The silt floors will be 2.8 meters minimum usually. First floor will be 3.2 meters. Second, third floors will be minimum 3 to 3.2 meters. So next, coming to the basement, every basement shall be includes in the every part of the at least 2.5 meters, and including the roof slab and ceilings will be maximum height of more than 4.5 meters. So this will be comes under building basements. And come to the area utilization, occupancy clauses, types of construction, width of the street fronting, local fire fighting, etc. will come here. So height of the building, maximum height of shall not be exceeds the 2 times of the width of the road abutment for the plus frontage open space. So it will be depends upon the road width. The road width will be increases, the height of the building will be increases. So next, coming to the open space requirement, the open space requirements will be includes like this. The plot area will be above 450 square meters. The frontage will be 12 meters. Semi damage will be the 8 to 12 meters, and row type of buildings will be comes under frontage will be 4.5 to 8 meters. The open space around the building will be depends upon this table. We have to consider all these tables will not be applicable for everywhere. It depends upon the local municipality, it will be depends. So interior space requirements will be also depends upon the local area, local authorities only, it will be applicable. So next, coming to the provisions of the lighting and ventilation, it is very important. 1/10 of the floor area by the dry hot climate is. So this is all about the building bylaws.